What is going on, yo? Mamba here, back with another video. So I just wanted to make a quick video. I didn't trade today just because it's the day before a holiday and I'm a little under the weather, so I ended up sleeping in. But I did wake up at like 5:50 today, and the reason I didn't trade, even though there was a setup in hindsight, is because if we just zoom into the 15-minute, we're at all-time highs, and then we took out the targets that I would be aiming for, which is like previous day high on Tuesday and Monday. So those are huge draws and magnets to price. And then since we took it out with these news candles, I kind of just went back to bed. But let's just go over how you can trade all-time highs. So when there's no levels in place, what you can do is basically use the opening print as like a reference point. So if you're longing, generally you want to trade with the trend and above the opening print. That's a general guideline. I do take setups below the opening print if there's like a level bounce or there's a divergence, but other than that, you want to be trading with the trend. And if you're trading above the opening print, the daily candle is going to be green. So how you can trade this is, since we don't have targets, you can start using psych levels. So 2300, 23,100, and even like in the middle, like 2350. Those are potential targets. So today, right, we had an aggressive rally, pull back right to opening print, and we presented a buy setup. This is going to be a 19-point stop. And what you could do is target this 2300 psych level. So let's just do a bar replay real quick. Let's buy 2 NQ contracts, and then we can start riding the way up. And I believe we had news right at 7. And what you can do is, if you want to be more aggressive, you can sell it, obviously, if you want to be conservative. But if you want to be aggressive, you can hold a runner or one contract through the news and then aim for the next cycle level. So let's just go for 50 above in the middle. And if you still had runners, you can aim for that 23,100. I think that eventually hit if we were to play the price action. Later in the day, there's less volume, especially since the market closed, I believe, at 10 a.m. PST and 1 p.m. EST. So we did hit those psych levels. So in recap, if you're trading all-time highs, if there's no levels in place, you want to be using the opening print and trading along with the trend. And as you can see, we're making higher highs and higher lows, right? So we want to be trading with that trend. You want to be waiting for pullbacks. So this is a pullback to opening print. And what I like to do from time to time is just, I like to throw on like the 20 EMA. So the 20 EMA, it's lagging to price, but it's a general guideline of how the trend is moving. So as you can see, we pulled back right to the 20 EMA, and then we just rode the EMA all the way up to these psych levels. So that's how you can trade all-time highs. Me personally, I was under the weather and I didn't want to trade before a holiday, but there were nice setups today. With that being said, you'll have a good one. Peace.